yarny friends. This is Yarn Wall Voyage Part 10. My name is Cynthia and this is my Joyful Creation space. And today we are going to look at all the Caron Simply Soft yarn that I have. Now in this first basket here, this yarn I purchased quite a while back when Walmarts were downsizing their craft departments and taking away all the cloth material and only having a few select things in the various, art forms, and being very selective on the type of yarn that they were selling. The Walmart here put all their yarn on sale. And so with the exception of this yarn back here, all of the Caron Simply Soft yarn I paid $1.50 a skein for. So let's first look at the gray yarn that I have back here, and then we'll move down into the basket. So this is Caron Simply Soft Party is what this is called. And I recently purchased this. I got this on November 30th of 2019 from Joann's. I paid it's normally $4.99 and I paid $3.74 for it. And it's in the colorway Silver Sparkle. As you can see right there, it is a 4 medium weight yarn. And these are 3-ounce skeins, 85 grams, and approximately 164 yards. And it is 99% acrylic and 1% metallic. And if you can see that real closely, there's different colored sparkles through it. There you go. That is really, really pretty. I don't know what I'm going to make with this, but I just fell in love with that yarn. And so I wanted some to make something with. So I ended up getting 6 skeins of that. And then this last gray I got from Walmart on October 6th of 2019. I paid $3.87 for it. It is from the Red Heart Love Metallic yarn. It is the colorway Light Gray. It is a medium 4 weight yarn. It is a 99% acrylic and probably 1% metallic. Oh, it says 1% other fibers. And it is just gray with kind of like a white sparkle through it. So now this is all the yarn that I got on sale for $1.50. These are 6-ounce skeins, Caron Simply Soft. Again, they're 6-ounce skeins, and this one is in the colorway Plum Wine. And they are, let's see, 6 ounces, 315 yards, and 100% acrylic. See if I can get that to focus in for you. There we go. But really pretty color. And I have 3 of those. Next, I have Rose Violet. And I was looking to see what that label says, and it just says, if it's color, it's Caron. Or Caron, I think is how it's pronounced. But anyway, that's the color there. That's really pretty. And I have 3 of those. Then the next color is Country Blue. And that is pretty. I like that. And I have 3 skeins of it. This one is called Plum Heather, and I have used a little bit of it already. There is the name of that one. It's really pretty purple. And this one is called Orchid. And I meant to show you the $1.50 price tag from Walmart, but it's like a light lavender. It's really pretty. This one, I was looking, it does not match any that I have. I don't have a label for it, so I'm not even sure. I'm sure I paid $1.50 for it as well, but if it doesn't have a label, that means it didn't come with one, because I always keep my label with my skeins. And then I have two in this color, and it is called Berry Blue. Really pretty light blue. And again, it has the $1.50 price tag on it. Then I have two in this color. There's the other, another $1.50 price tag. Oops. But it is in the color called Woodland Heather. And that's what those look like. And then I have four of these in what they call Sage. It's a pretty green. I have four of those. And there's the $1.50. And then these, I got these not too long ago from Walmart, but I cannot remember how much I paid for them and when I got them. But I know it's been within the last year. And it is in the colorway Grape Raisin. Whoops. Really pretty, pretty purple. And I have three of those. Here's two. And I've used some of this one already. So that is all the Caron Simply Soft yarn that I have from back in the day when I got them all on sale at Walmart for $1.50. So if you'll give me just a minute to fill up my basket again, I'm going to bring in the Caron Simply Soft yarn that I bought just recently. So here is the Caron Simply Soft yarn that I bought back on June 12th of 2020. These skeins are normally $2.97 at Michael's, and I got them for $1.48. And as you can see, this one is in the colorway Soft Green. It is a medium 4-weight yarn, and it is 100% acrylic, 6 ounces, 170 grams, and approximately 315 yards. And I only got one of that. All right, and then I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of this color, and this is called Watermelon. That is really pretty. I love that bright pink. And then I got two in the colorway Ocean. Really pretty blue. And then I got 3 in this really pretty blue. And it is called Blue Mint. And then I got 1, 2, 3, 4 in the white, and it's just called white. There we go. It's a pretty crisp white too. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 skeins in what is called soft blue. And that is a pretty soft baby blue. That is all the Caron Simply Soft yarn that I have, and that's a lot. We are down to the bottom shelf of row 3, and guess what I found? I found some more acrylic yarn, so sorry that this didn't come when we were going through the acrylics, but this is the peach acrylic yarn that I have acquired. And to start with, I found this big twist at Joann's on November 30th last year, and it is in the colorway Coral. And it is normally $3.49, and I got it for $2.61. Not a big sale, but I didn't get it because of the sale. I had seen this color yarn, and it looks kind of red and kind of like a flamingo pink in a way, but it is a coral color. It's really rich, and I'm trying to see if I can, I mean, hopefully you can kind of see it more there. But I'd seen this yarn several times, and I picked it up and I put it in my buggy and I put it back on the shelf, and I'd done that several times. And then finally one day I saw it a little bit on sale, and I went ahead and got it. It was just so bright and pretty. Not really sure what I'm going to make with it yet, but I ended up getting 4 skeins of it. And I just dropped a cake. So I have 4 of these cakes. One just fell on the floor. These I actually got at a garage sale, and they were just 4 tiny skeins. I mean, they're complete skeins. So all I can tell you is that they're peach, and I do remember that I got them at a garage sale. I do not remember what I paid for them. I think, if my memory serves me correctly, I paid $1.50 for all 4 of them. So, which wasn't bad. And I was going through a peach phase where peach was the color. And so that's why I got them. Now, these are Super Saver Ombre, and I'm going to back up just a minute, and I apologize. Let's come back to the big twist. I realize I didn't tell you anything about them. It is a 6-ounce skein and 380 yards and 170 grams. And it is a medium 4-weight yarn. And again, I think I did tell you this, but yeah, it's in the colorway Coral. And it is, pretty sure, 100% acrylic. And it is right there. All right. Now these Super Saver Ombres are called Sea Coral. And I love these ombres from Red Heart Yarns. These are just like the one that I used in a mauve color to make a shawl, and in the gray anthracite color that I used to make my oldest son's hoodie. But so these are sea coral. These are 10 ounces, 283 grams, and 482 yards. And it is, and there's the, and it is definitely a medium 4. And it is 100% acrylic. But this is going to be really pretty. I can't wait to see this worked up. But I got 4 of these, and I got them from Joann's. They're normally $7.99. I paid $5.99 for them. And again, I got 4 of those. And then I've got the Never Enough from Craft Smart. And these came from Michael's. They're normally $5.99, and I got it for $4.19 on July 8th of 2019. So on sale, but not a big sale. And that is in the colorway Peach. And it is 14.1 ounces, 400 grams, 716 yards. And it is a medium 4-weight yarn. And I'm pretty sure it's 100% acrylic. Yep. Right there. There we go. All right. And I got 3 of those. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video and spending this time with me as we went through the Caron Simply Soft yarn. If you did, please be sure and give it a thumbs up. And if you've not done so already, please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to get all the notifications for all my future videos. I look forward to our next time together, and until then, be joyful, stay crafty in your own way, and make your own joyful creations. Bye, everyone.